IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What kind of art do you enjoy most? Band 5. Answer.
I enjoy painting the most because it looks nice and relaxing. I like simple paintings with nature and colors because they make me feel calm.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas. Limited development. Lexical resource. Very simple vocabulary. Nice, relaxing, like. Grammar. Mostly correct but repetitive sentence structures. Pronunciation. Generally clear but unvaried. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, simple, and a bit thin, like instant noodles. Band 7.5 Answer.
I'm particularly interested in visual art, especially modern paintings. I like how artists use color and abstract shapes to express emotions rather than reality, and I find that quite thought-provoking.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Clear progression of ideas. Lexical resource. Good range, particularly abstract, thought-provoking. Grammar. Accurate with some complex structures. Pronunciation. Clear with natural stress. Typical of a Band 7.5. Confident, clear, and flexible language. Band 9 Answer.
I'm most drawn to contemporary visual art because it challenges traditional ideas and often reflects social issues. I enjoy interpreting the meaning behind the artwork, as it engages me intellectually as well as emotionally.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, well-structured response. Lexical resource. Sophisticated and precise. Contemporary. Reflects intellectually. Grammar. Wide range used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation. Fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9. Polished, insightful, and exam-ready. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.